Hello everyone, that's Just a Dad. Let's do an unboxing on this Amazon renewed iPhone 13 Pro. So let's open it up. All right. Be careful, the phone. Okay, I heard something rattling around in there. I was wondering what it was. It's the thing to take the card out. It's these things. Okay, so let's take a look at the phone. Looks, I only get 3 of them. So it looks in really good shape. Wow, yeah, not too bad. It's got the screen protector on it. The screen's in really good shape. The sides are. The bottom where the charging connector is in really good shape. All right, and then you get these. This is where you're gonna put your SD card. Over here on the left side, you know, there's the cameras. So the left side, you're gonna poke this in and that little slot's gonna come out. You can kind of grab it with that. That's where your micro SIM card. That's where your SIM card's gonna go. And you can put it in. Yeah, do not disturb, looks good. This looks like a really nice phone. Now we don't get a charger. We do get a cable. So we get a lightning cable. Looks like a generic one. Open me for, so we don't get the power supply to plug it in with. All right, I like that it comes with the warranty and looks like a really nice phone. I'm glad I've got it. So I hope this unboxing video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.